We got the Traxxas Rustler out. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some passes. It's on 3S. Last time I had it out on 3S, it kept shutting down on me, and I put the new Sidewinder 4 in there with a 3800. So let's go ahead and get some runs in and see what happens. Car seemed like it got no power. That's on 3S. Brakes is up kind of high. Sorry about the wind, y'all. Full throttle right here. I don't know, that Sidewinder 4 kind of funny. I'm gonna have to take it back to the bench. That's wide open. Could be the motor. I never thought about that. It could be the motor. The motor might be bad. It's running, but not running to my likings. Even on the launch, I'm gonna do a launch right now with it, just to show y'all. This car with the Sidewinder 3, oh man, do a launch. It got it, and then it's like, I don't know. I don't know, it got me confused. All right, let's get another launch and see what happens. Man, you know what we'll try to gear it up and then come back out and see what happens. Same 3S, but let's take it back to the bench. I'll probably throw it on the computer off camera just to see what's going on with it. But it's out and running. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, YouTube. So we got the Rustler back on the bench. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I believe I have a 16 tooth pinion up there. I'm gonna upgrade that. I'm not gonna be able to get no speed on it, but we'll upgrade that, and we'll also put this on the computer just to check the settings. I probably won't show everything like that, but I'm gonna change everything and then probably get it back out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube, we back out with the Traxxas Rustler. I was able to fix the GNSS. We're gonna see if it end up getting satellite. And I put it on the computer, and it had some adjustments I need to adjust. So let's see how it carry on now. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and give it a run. And I already feel like it has more power to me. Got a little pulling. Let me go ahead and fix that. Sorry about that, guys. See, now it's picking up, even in the big end. Let's see if we get a pass. She's moving nice. Let's see if we get a launch now. It'll probably go like a maniac, but let's see what happens. Woo. I did have the car set up with different shocks. I just threw some random stock shocks I had up there just to get it going. Let's get another pass there. She getting up. She back. I need to do some adjustments to the shock. Kind of wheeling too much every time I hit the gas. So I'll definitely be doing some tuning to that. My GNSS, unfortunately, isn't getting satellite. I put it back together, it came on, but I'm still not getting no satellite. Hopefully I could, I don't know, reset it. That's maybe what I need to do, is reset it and then try it again. Anyway, guys, Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get a couple more flybys and then we're gonna call it a wrap. Oh, that's the GNSS. Good thing. Shout out to my boy Jared, cause I put this in here and I said I should have been put it in here, or for the simple fact that it's a case, so it saved the GNSS from flying apart, but it turned off. But anyway, I'm not worried about that. It's still intact. All right, let's get one more flyby. We call it a wrap. That was a nice one. I was able to pull full. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Traxxas Rustler, she back up and running. I definitely got to do some tweaks and get the suspension right so it can leave off the line like it was before. Oh, tripped the spur gear. I should have just called it a wrap when I had the chance, huh? Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for the next video.